All right, Lydia. So I have something very fun for you.
Okay.
Knowing that you're a wedding officiant.
Yes.
Right? And you told me that a lot of times you need to put your hair up.
In a second's notice.
And you struggle with doing that, right? Because your hair length and you told me about asking me about tons of bobby pins and how to keep it.
Yes.
So you're not going to believe it because I have the answer.
Okay.
So this is called a FlipClip.
I love it.
Yes.
So pretty.
I was curious what would work best with what you do.
Well, actually, we always wear pearls. I'm actually wearing pearls now. So they're both beautiful, but I would go with the pearls.
Okay, great. So the best part is that the teeth are flexible, and that's really what makes the difference on it because it really does grab the hair a lot better. So when you feel this, you're going to feel when it goes in, it's not going anywhere. But also because they are flexible, it's the best way not to hurt the hair. Super simple. All you can do is just grab your styled hair. If you'd like to brush it, that's fine.
Okay.
I see that you have a little spray, so that makes it a little easy. We'll just smooth it a little bit. You're just going to gather it. I like to just, at your length, gather it into a ponytail, right? So that we have it all together, even that bottom part. And then I just twist it usually. But however you want to get this all in, whether you want that tail out or you want that in a little bit.
Okay.
Once you have that way, all you're going to do is use the comb. The part that bends has to be on the head.
Okay.
Right? So it bends to the head. So you just comb that in. And I went right under that. And then it's going to flip. So we're just going to take this comb, come on over that, and flip it right in.
Oh, wow.
Super easy and secure. And then we would go in, I know, right? Go into finishing the hair however you like, if you want to ice up there and spray that, however you do your finish. But we're not going to count this one because now we're going to let you do it.
Oh my gosh.
So then just, in this one, I did it up here a little bit so you have a little height. We can spray that. Bring some down.
Yeah.
And I was super.
Oh my God.
Right?
It's amazing. I feel like I'm shaking it, and nothing is coming loose.
Brush through, right? Perfect. Fine.
And I'm going to pull it in.
Yep. Get everything from the bottom too.
Yeah. Did I get everything from the bottom?
There you go. A little
hairs down.
I'll straight down. Great. Get a whole little bun.
Goes in this way.
And goes underneath. Perfect. So you secure it.
Okay.
Great.
And then I just flip this over.
Okay.
Perfect.
Very nice.
Perfectly in place. It looks so good. Thank you. I'm just going to put a little spray in there and...
Nice. Wow, you're now, doesn't it look like a professional?
It does. And it feels great. I mean, I can shake my head. I can dance.
Here, I'm going to show them why you're shaking your head. Mm-hmm. Oh, you're going to dance. But look, it's not going anywhere.
Not going in.
Nice and secure. And it's perfectly done.
So easy.
Very soft, right?
Yeah. It's so easy to put it in there and it feels so secure.